makeup kit. All right. I keep my makeup all in a Tupperware box, high quality. And I have my picture put on the front so I can remember what my makeup looks like because it's new. Then I have this cool tin that I keep my powder in, my color set powder and my puff so it doesn't leak all over because that's happened before. And then I've got Miron Clown White, Miron Juvenile Cream Blend Stick. Go figure. Ooh, and the Cadillac of all powder brushes, the Goat Hair Powder Brush. Say it together with me. Ooh. Oh, and then I have an assortment of...
Junk.
No, not junk. Junk. Get on. And I got Miron pencils, some brushes, some really pretty wineberry pink cheek powder from Miron. I have a cool little powdery brush to put my blush on. And I have the ever popular barrier spray that I spritz all over so my makeup gets all bright again and it lasts a really, really, really long time. And then when you spritz that on your face, I like to use this fan to blow the vapors away. So, because if you open up your eyes too soon, you go like this. Ah! Because it burns. So you just do that, blow it away. Perfect. And this cool little brush that puts my little green eyeshadow on. And some glue to put on my rhinestones that I have under my eyes. And some glitter that I put on in little accent places to be enticing. And that's about it. That's like the best of all that's in there. Oh, and I also keep a handy dandy rubber chicken. See? Because everybody needs one, right? But what I don't have in there is a pig. There's no room for the pig. Sorry. So that's what I have in my makeup kit. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.